Design. While HTC and other VR evangelists will likely focus their attention on the Pro's uptick in visual fidelity, a native resolution of 2880 by 1600, 615 pixels versus 2160 by 1200 on the original Vive, the Vive Pro has a number of design changes that are just as valuable as the Dual AMOLED display. First off, the HTC Vive Pro now comes with built-in headphones that sit directly on top of your ears. They're adjustable in height, and include volume controls, which means you'll no longer have to take off the headset to readjust the volume between game sessions. There's also the new harness that holds the headset more firmly than the Velcro straps did on the original HTC Vive. The harness keeps the headset from moving during particularly intense moments in games like Doom VFR or Arizona Sunshine, and wards off the infamous head strain that could occur after wearing the original HTC Vive for an extended period of time. Spin the headset around to the back and you'll find the new turn knob, a carryover from the Vive Deluxe audio strap that HTC released last year. Use it to tighten up the headset for a better fit, or loosen it to take the headset off without undoing the top strap. There's also the new and improved cable that slims the triple-wire cord on the original Vive to a manageable single wire. Sure, no wires would be better than one, but we're moving in the right direction. If you're serious about wireless VR, though, don't forget that HTC is currently working on the wireless adapter for the Vive that will be out in mid-2018. In the headset itself, you'll find new rubber nose guards that prevent light from filtering in the crack between your nose and the headset, while a more durable, plushy foam pad cushions your face for more comfortable extended play sessions.